Today we're going to be discussing the movement or flow of entities through a model based on a priority. We're going to be discussing two different ways to do it. You choose which method best works in your model. In my example model here, we already have the location set up. In fact, we have most of the model built except for the key features that we need to implement. We have location 1, and location 1 is represented by these couple entity spots. Location 2 is the second one. As far as entities, we have gears and boxes. Now, we want gears to take priority over boxes, but if we look at our arrival schedule, we get a lot more boxes than gears. In fact, we get almost 3 times more boxes than gears that arrive to location 1. But what we want is, as soon as a gear arrives, no matter how many boxes are waiting at location 1, the gears move automatically to location 2. And we're going to do this. It's a little quick 3-step process. Our first step is we need to define a attribute. And this attribute, I'm going to simply put a priority and leave it with the default type and classification. Now, we're going to use that priority in the arrival schedule. We're going to give each of the entities a value associated with that priority. Now, gears, we're going to give a priority equal to 2, boxes equal to 1, and we're going to use this logic in our locations. Now, by default, ProModel uses a FIFO system, so the first entity to arrive here in location 1 is the first one to move to location 2. We're going to override that here in the rules. So for location 2, we're going to double click, and here we pull up this nice little window, and we get several options. We can randomize the movement, but what we want to do is highest attribute value based on the only attribute we have in the system, a priority. So again, the highest one is the one that gets the priority. So if we go back and look at our logic, the gears is the one that we want to take priority, given that they have the higher number. So again, even if we have several boxes waiting here, as soon as a gear comes in, it does have that higher priority, so it gets pulled first. Now, another way to do this is if we put some logic into our routing. And we pull up the other model we have. In this one, same kind of thing. We have gears arriving to one location, boxes arriving to a completely separate location, but they're all going to the same location. So again, gears arrive 1 per hour, boxes arrive every 18 minutes. So if we look at our process logic for the gears, we can see here that in the destination is location 2, but we give it a priority number. We give it a priority number of 1, and then if we go to our record where we have the boxes moving from location 3 to 2, that priority is 0, so it's lower. So it doesn't matter how many boxes we have in location 3, if we have a gear waiting in location 1, it's going to move along that route to location 2. So that's where you would do it. Again, you can choose which method works best for you. They're both pretty simple. You would simply go into the destination and put it in there, or in the other one, you would simply assign different values to the attribute. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more solutions videos.